Mexico? Where's Mexico?
Mexico.
United States?
California.
California is in the United States. Yeah. Canada?
Canada.
Oh, how about New Zealand?
Canada.
Paris, France?
France.
No, it's up here. You're close. Japan?
Japan.
Yeah. How about the Philippines? Who was born there? Do you remember?
Papa.
Or how was born there? Let's do your continents. Where's North America?
Mexico.
South America. Are you like, you can't, are you showing how he's pointing to the
Yeah.
right ones? Can you see the map?
Yep.
Okay, where's Asia?
Egypt.
Europe? Africa?
Africa.
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 Yep. Australia?
Australia.
Antarctica?
Mexico.
Yep, that's Antarctica, and that's Antarctica.
Africa.
Yeah. How about, show me where Uncle Ross lives. Where's that? What state is that?
Tennessee.
Let's do some state. Now, Tennessee. Yeah. How about Florida? Which one is this?
Alabama.
Alabama. What's this one? Yep.
Carson.
Chase, Carson, and Meg. What's this one?
Georgia.
Georgia. Where's Maine?
Miami.
Maine. Where's Massachusetts? Connecticut? Yeah.
Massachusetts.
Mommy lives in Massachusetts.
Lincoln.
Lincoln lives in Massachusetts.
Daddy,
And Daddy, yes. How about Nevada?
Hannah.
Hmm?
Hannah.
Emma lives in Massachusetts too.
Massachusetts.
Yeah, Emma lives in Massachusetts. Yeah.
Lincoln.
And Lincoln.
Lincoln, where's Nevada?
What are you doing, Nevada?
In front
You
of
gamble in Nevada. Montana? Point to it.
Point to it. Where's Montana?
Yeah. Washington? Oregon?
Who lives in Oregon?
Cuba.
Uncle D-Bat.
Aunt Leah lives there too. Yeah.
What about California?
California.
Who lives there?
What's that?
Aunt Melissa. Where's New Mexico?
New Mexico.
That's Mexico. Where's New Mexico?
Where's New Mexico?
New Mexico.
North Dakota?
Dakota.
South Dakota? Nebraska? Point to it. Touch it. Yep. Kansas? Yep. Missouri? Arkansas?
Arkansas.
Where's Arkansas?
Point to Arkansas.
Texas?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. Texas? How about Michigan?
Michigan.
Birth.
Birth.
In Michigan, yeah.
What about Utah?
Utah.
Where's Utah?
Touch it.
Touch it.
Where's Ohio?
Hiya.
Kentucky?
It's hard to get the whole
North
thing.
Carolina? South Carolina? Virginia? West Virginia? Where's Maryland? Oh, that's West Virginia. Maryland? Yep. New Jersey? Vermont? How about Pennsylvania? New York?
Yeah.
Where's the Gulf of Mexico? Where's the Atlantic Ocean? Where's the Pacific Ocean?
Where's Alaska?
Where's Alaska? Yep.
Alaska.
Where's Hawaii?
Hawaii.
How about Minnesota?
Where's Minnesota?
City.
Yeah. Oklahoma? Colorado? Arizona? Idaho?
Nice work.
We can't stump them. Indiana. Did we do Mississippi?
Mississippi. I think we've done all 50, Mommy.
Did we?
Where's Delaware?
No, he doesn't. You know Delaware? I haven't taught him Delaware.
I haven't taught him Delaware.
Delaware's up here.
I think the only ones he doesn't know are Delaware and Rhode Island.
Yeah. New Hampshire? Quick! Where's Russia?
Russia.
China?
China.
Mongolia. Where's that? Yeah, there. Mongolia. India. Algeria. Where's France?
Where's Newfoundland?
Newfoundland. They grow dogs there.
Where do the dogs grow?
Yeah. How about Greenland? Canada? United States. Mexico.
California.
California's in the United States. Yeah.
Where's Mexico?
How about Brazil?
Where's Brazil?
Yeah, you get stumped with Brazil. What was the other little one that we learned?
Puerto Rico?
Oh, Madagascar. Where's that? Do you remember? We did it once this morning. Madagascar.
No.
No.
Nice
There it
work.
is. Australia.
Where's New Zealand?
Yep. Guatemala. El Salvador. Puerto Rico. Japan. No, that's Paris, France.
Where's Japan?
Philippines. Paris, France. Algeria. Antarctica.
It's hard to get it all.
Antarctica.
Good.
Yep, Antarctica. Yep, it's there too. North America. South America. Africa. Asia. Europe. Australia.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna have to start teaching you more. Should we find another one? How about Saudi Arabia? Right here. See it? Saudi Arabia. So where's Russia? Where's Saudi Arabia? Where's India? Okay, Saudi Arabia. Okay, locked in.
Where's Argentina?
Who's in Argentina?
Pretty girls.
Pretty girls. Well done.
Lincoln, where's Brazil? What about Canada?
How old are you? When's your birthday?
Me.
What's your
Hey.
name?
What's your last name?
Lincoln
Lincoln
Melcher.
Melcher.
Are you, Dave Melcher. Are you smart? Mommy Melcher. Melinda. Yeah.
Algeria.
No, that's Libya.
Libya. It's almost shaped like Nevada.
Algeria. Libya.
No.
Saudi Arabia. Is that what you were thinking? Yeah. Saudi Arabia.
Japan.
Japan. Here's Iran. Okay, Dad.
Okay, all done?